Alright, here's the randomization for the free giveaway of 201 through 250 breaks. Saw the list on here. We got Luke on top, and I believe it was Zach on bottom. Zach's on bottom, Luke's on top. Let me go back over here, type live. $741, $741, 5 or greater on the dice roll. We have 7, $741 right there. Alright, here we go. Alright, going on to the final round. We're going to go back over here, type last round. Good luck. 741, 742 right there, but same difference. Alright, 742, 742, and the top 5 will win. The winner of the helmet is Dustin Weeman. You get the fire helmet. Trevor gets $52 credit. Chris Batterson gets 26 credit. Trevor gets 26 credit, and Weeman gets 26 credit. Looks like Dustin and Trevor took 4 of the 5 free giveaways. Congrats, guys. Congrats, Chris, also. I'm going to type in done here. 742. Have a good night, guys.